Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anti-Cancer Lifestyle Program. And this week it is all about beets, which are the star ingredient in our beet hummus recipe that we're going to be featuring this week. So homemade hummus is one of my all-time favorite dishes. It's super simple to make. It's a really great plant-based protein option. It's also naturally gluten and dairy-free, and it's extremely versatile. You can enjoy it as a dip on a sandwich or a little dollop on a salad. So hummus on its own is packed full of anti-inflammatory, good-for-you ingredients such as olive oil, garlic, some nuts or some seeds, some lemon juice, and some chickpeas. And the chickpeas are also packed full of fiber that helps feed our good bacteria in our gut and nourish the cells in our gut. So why add beets to hummus? Well, besides being extremely tasty, they are also very special in the sense that they're one of the few vegetables that is this deep red purpley color. And they provide our body with these special components that are only found in those pigments. So these components are some of the best at detoxifying our body and also opening up the blood vessels to increase blood flow. So the more blood that flows and the more detoxification, naturally we just have more physical and mental energy. So beets plus hummus creates this vibrant, deliciously creamy, nutrient-dense, good for you and your gut dish that will add a burst of flavor to any meal or snack. So please make sure to check out our beet hummus recipe under the Cooking with Ananda section this week. I know it will not disappoint.